Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is your friend Moses Muhaya on YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you on how to use a small amount of money when you have first gotten maybe on your business or when you have been employed. Number one, we have few things in which you are going to use this money, and for me, I have here 10,000 shillings, and these are 10,000 shillings that I'm going to show you I've gotten out of my job. So I'm going to show you how much, and we are going to count with you. This is 1,000, it's original, it's not fake. This is 2,000 shillings, they are not fake, they are original. This is 3,000 shillings, they are not fake, they are original. 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 shillings. These are 10,000 shillings. So if you want to budget on how to use these 10,000 shillings, first of all, if you are a small business, I'm going to give you this 5,000, this 500 shillings. If you will subscribe to our channel, please, I'm a kind, I will give you. And if you want to know that is true, let me give my cameraman. I have given him those 500 shillings. Okay, you can confirm. He has it. Now go there. So the first thing you can do with this money is, when you are in town or in urban area, you must buy small things like egg, a tray of egg. A tray of egg goes with around 350 shillings. You can buy and then boil it, then add some salt and also spices, and then begin to walk in the market. Second thing, you can also buy ground nuts. Those ground nuts you can sell to your marketplace, and then you can get some profit. And those profit that you get, make sure that you keep a record to those profits. Don't eat them all. Now, if you've got 10,000 shillings, don't go to buy things like a smartphone. You know, it's your first pay, 10,000 shillings. Don't go and buy a smartphone. For a smartphone, will go to 10,000 shillings and above. Then you buy it, then you don't have anything to spend. So go for these small things. Ground nuts, eggs, we have some cookies in town. But now when you are in rural area like me here, go for something like a quarter an acre, and then plant some beans or Irish potato. When you rent a quarter an acre, it will only take 2,000 shillings. It will only take 2,000 shillings. This one, 2,000 shillings for only renting, small amount, only renting a quarter an acre. Then you can take 2,000 shillings for input, farm input. For a quarter an acre, Irish potato is just very few. And then you remind me 6,000 shillings. This 6,000 shillings you can go for simple things like poultry. Then you keeping some like doves, but don't overspend it. Now, I hope this video has given you at least a technical issue on how to use your 10,000 first pay. So if you like it, you can subscribe to our channel. I'm Moses, and I will give you 1,000 shillings if you subscribe to this channel. God bless you.